single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, so I'm currently working on a DIY. I just wanted to show you guys. This is like a little doll that came with a dress. I got it in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna insert a picture of what it actually looked like. It didn't have a yellow dress, and it had a tulle skirt there, but I removed it. That's why it has like a weird that weird glue stain right there, because I removed it because the skirt was gray with black polka dots, but it didn't go with the color scheme of my little office corner. So I didn't know what to do. First I tried to paint the polka dots a rose gold. That didn't work out. The rose gold with the black turned into like a weird color, and then I tried to put glitter on top of the rose gold color, and that still didn't work out because it's the gray, the black still peeked through, and the gray of just did not go with my color scheme. So I decided to remove the tulle skirt, and then I had some yellow acrylic paint, so I painted the skirt of the dress yellow, and then I had some tulle. You can't really see it there because I put it on top of the plastic that the frame came wrapped in, but I had some, you guys can tell it is tulle. So I had some tulle left over from, I think somebody gifted me something, or I bought something and it came wrapped in tulle. So I had saved it because I thought like maybe I could do a DIY with this one day. So I saved it. And then these gold like little beads type of things, I bought some Pat McGrath like mini lipsticks. They came in a pack of 3 from Sephora, and they came in like a sippy bag, and the sippy bag was full of these gold beads, or however you call them. So I decided to save them as well because I thought I could repurpose them. That's my baby, you guys. She talks. And they came in so handy. Both the tulle that I saved and the beads came in so handy because I decided to then cut out another skirt for her. And I'm just waiting for I glued them with gold glitter glue from the Dollar Tree. So I'm waiting for them to dry so that I can stick the tulle skirt on her. And I'm going to show you guys the other one that Hey guys, so this is the other doll in the frame that I got. And I love this one. It goes really nice with my color scheme because it has a gold frame. And then the yellow, it kind of goes with everything. My color scheme right now, I'm not going to show you guys because I'm going to do a video, my little office corner. But my color scheme is like white with pastels, rose gold, and gold. So this kind of went beautiful with it. But the other one with the gray skirt with black polka dots, it just did not go with my color scheme. So that's why I'm changing it. And then so once I'm done, so then once this this tulle skirt dries and I can glue it onto her, I'm gonna put this one below the other one, and I'll show you guys how they look together. But I think it's gonna go perfectly because the other one has the gold frame and yellow tulle, and the dress is white, and this one's gonna have a white frame with a yellow dress, and then it's gonna have a tulle skirt with gold beading. So I think it's gonna kind of complement they're gonna complement each other. So I can't wait to show you guys how it turns up. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finished product. This is how the tulle skirt turned out along with the yellow dress, and that's the first one that I had up on the top. So now I recreated the bottom one to complement it, and I think it looks really nice. I think that now they complement each other as they both have white, gold, and yellow. So I think I'm pretty happy with the outcome. And the other one didn't really match with the gray and black polka dot tulle skirt, so I feel like this one complements the other frame better. So what do you guys think?